This is the Bosch SMS58M32GB full-size dishwasher. It's got 14 place settings and I'll show you some very useful features on it. Now, one of the unique features about this model is that you don't actually need one of these, a cutlery basket. The main advantage of this dishwasher, and the reason they can get the 14 place setting, is it has a cutlery drawer on top. Now, the main advantage of this is it does allow extra space in the bottom for everything to be stored, and also it can be removed so you can take it over to empty the cutlery. So when it comes to the cutlery drawer, a couple of things I'll show you. First of all, you've got the individual sections in here so that you can put the knives and forks separate so that the metal doesn't become tarnished by touching each other. You have also got small sections on the far sides so that you can put small dishes or sauces if you want to. When it comes to removing the tray, then you literally just pull it and lift it slightly, and you can take it over the cutlery drawer and empty the cutlery. And when you want to put it back, then just do the opposite and just locate the wheels on the side there and push it back in. Now, some traditional dishwashers, where you put the tablet or powder is located to one side. What Bosch have done is they've actually put it in the middle. The main reason, when the tablet is removed during the wash, it will drop into this section, and as well as acting as a handle, it will drop in there, because what you could find is sometimes if it drops into the bottom, it could drop into a cup and it doesn't dissolve properly, whereas it's guaranteed to dissolve every time it drops into there. Now, with this dishwasher you have got the full stainless steel interior, which can reduce the build-up of limescale over time. Inside at the bottom you've actually got these racks that will fold down, and all four of these will do it, or you can do it halfway if you wanted. The main advantage is you can actually get a large flat area, so if you had a big dish for example, then it makes it so much easier to clean. And then to put them back up, you just get the handle on the side and just put them back up. Now, the top basket has some great features as well. First of all, here again, same as the bottom, you can actually fold these down if you want to. They just clip back up, and then when you want to fold them down, they just fold like that, again providing an area that's flat. The other main advantage, which is a really good feature, is called Rackmatic, and what this will do is this gives you the ability to reduce or increase the height of the top basket, and the way you do that is by the handles on the side. So by pressing them and holding them, it will reduce it, and then you can take them back up like that. What you can also do is, if you have got tall glasses one side and you didn't want to do the other, you can just press it one side to reduce that height, and it still pushes in like that. This is so much easier than the traditional way of having to take the whole basket out and then relocate it onto separate wheels, because when it's full it gets very heavy. Now, at the bottom you've got the salt container there, and you must make sure you put dishwasher salt, not table salt, in there, which we have our customers do. The other thing to do is to make sure the filter's clean after you've been using it. To do that, just pull that out and that's removed easily, and then just pop it back together like that. Just make sure there's no food residue in the bottom, and then when you've done that, that just drops back in. Now, when it comes to the front control panel, it's very well laid out. You've got the on and off button on the left. When you turn it on, you've got the salt and the rinse aid indicators. Obviously we've not filled this one yet, that's why it's showing those two on the front. And there's quite a few other options, and I'll show you the different programs. Now, the first program on here is the intensive. That's a 70-degree wash, so it's a very high temperature for things like dirty pots and pans. The next one, which is a very good program, is called auto, and that will vary the temperature between 45 and 65 degrees, and what it will do is it will actually send a certain amount of water through the wash to start with. It will detect how dirty it is, and then it will actually adjust the temperature according to the dirtiness of the water. The next program is the Eco, and that's a 50-degree wash, so it's a lower temperature compared to some of the other programs. What you will find as standard, quite a few of the programs are quite long. You have got the option on here called Vario Speed, and if you press that, that will reduce it almost half. And if you wanted, you have got the extra dry button, and as it says, that just really makes sure that everything is completely dry inside, but again, that can increase the time. You have got the other option here on the right hand side with quick, and that's just a very quick wash, so it's not really a full wash, it's just really if you want to freshen items up. And then you've got the pre-rinse option as well to add to some of these programs. As you can see on the right hand side here, it's got a time delay option, and that's very easy to use. You just press that, and it can go up to 24 hours, so if you needed it to be delayed for a full day, then you've got the option here. And with any of these programs, once you've selected it, you do have to press start. But you do have the option, if you've selected a program that is wrong, just press and hold that button for 3 seconds and it will reset the panel. Hope you've enjoyed the video on the Bosch SMS58M32GB. If you are interested in this dishwasher, or if you've got any more queries, either pop into our showroom, give us a ring, or visit our website today.